My name is Joe Buck. I'm a senior sales engineer here at Con-Vey. So every day we're working with customers to turn their ideas into custom automated solutions. A lot of these projects are highly specialized and require a lot of communication. And the way we've done that in the past is mostly through 2D layouts. And although they have their place, they leave a lot up to interpretation. And we're trying to push the limits on what we're able to do communication-wise, and that's kind of why we've started moving towards 3D modeling more. We have probably 20 years experience with 3D modeling, so it's nothing new to Con-Vey, but traditionally it would have come from our engineering department after an order. We're able to do that all up front before any major commitments have been made. One of the benefits of the 3D models is we can walk through the layout from start to finish with our customers and look at things like clearances. We can make adjustments real time. We can take section views and we can manipulate the layouts to get it exactly how they want it up front and help communicate some of those things that maybe a 2D drawing just would be difficult to communicate. This is an example of something that we can do on the fly with our customers. We're able to take a series of beltways and look at different configurations with them on the phone. So this is one option, and then just with a click of a button, we can look at another option, and we can zoom in and look at interferences. Like there's going to be a line of conveyors going underneath, and you can see that it's pretty tight. So, configuration number one might be the best option there. Our customers are also able to take these models and use them with their internal teams as well as other contractors, whether it's building contractors, installation contractors, plumbers, electricians, you name it. They can use our model, drop it into a larger project model with all of the other equipment, buildings, stuff like that, and they're able to look for clearance issues up front and then also plan things like catwalks and platforms. The nice thing is that when we're all looking at the same model, we're all working off the same plan, and that helps keep things moving forward. This is an example of a layout that we did. It's a panel repair line for a customer. Their building was built in the 1930s, and they didn't have any drawings. It had been added on to, and there were quite a few columns and rafters that had been moved, and we went in for them and measured stuff up and then modeled the building columns into our layout just to make sure our equipment would fit. This is going to help us cut down on some of the delays that are related to rework later on. We're finding that issues get identified earlier, decisions get made faster, and projects move forward with a lot fewer surprises. At the end of the day, we're not just providing equipment, we're providing an experience. By implementing these 3D models earlier on in the sales process, we're able to make our customers' lives easier, and that's what we're really striving to do.